So today I will be talking about functions. A function is something that can make your code more readable and less complicated at the same time, making it repeatable. So for a function definition, which is making a function, the syntax is def for define, and then your function name, whatever you want it to be. And then in here, under the function name, inside of it, you can do whatever you want. So, for example, print hello world. So this is how you would usually do it. Print hello world. And with the function, you could do the same, but just by calling the function, which is typing out the name and then parentheses. So let's run this. So the first four, which are here, are from the print statements, and then the bottom four are from the calling of the function. So functions can be used for anything. If you wanted to do math, you could make a sum function. Let's call it add. And then inside the parentheses, you can put in variable-like things called parameters. Let's use A and B. And then return would be kind of like the break of a while loop or a for loop. The second the function returns, it completely stops the function. So return A plus B. And in order to make this work, you would need to call your function. And then inside, as you can see, it says add A and B. So you need two numbers here. Let's use 1 and 2. And then if we run this, you have to print the function call every time. Or not every time, but if you return. And I have a extra parenthesis. Yeah, so that would give us 3. And parameters are a local variable, you could say. So if I were to print A, it would give me an error message. A is not defined. So if we could use different variables, X and Y, let's just say, and we can use these as our parameters, or not parameters, we can use this for calling, and then this would give us what we want. So to break it down, if once we call a function with X and Y, it runs this function. So A would be X, B would be Y, which is 3 and 4. It would add 3 and 4, or X and Y. We could also do other things, like let's check if it's even or odd. If a number is even or odd. And let's pass in a parameter A. So parameters, you can use them multiple times because they're kind of like local variables. So we could check if A mod 2 is equal to 0. Let's return even. And then else return odd. We can call our function even or odd. And pass in, for example, 9. And let's print this. Okay. Yeah, and this would give us odd. And if we were to do an even number, such as 16, it would give out even.